Hey guys, John Dugan here. Today I'm going to go over another tips and tricks video for you on the 10th generation Accord. It's the 2018 model through the 2022 model. And I'm going to show you a couple things that maybe the dealership didn't go over with you, or just some hidden things. Some of them are going to be the same as the CR-V, but they're all things that are kind of cool and unique about the car that you may not already know. So if you're driving one of these model year cars, or you're thinking about buying one, check this video out and you can kind of see some of the cool features that you can get. So number one, it's super hot outside, so I'm going to start off with some things inside the car. All right. So firstly, I'm going to start off with one of my favorite things, is the trip reset. So as you can see down here, the tripometer, you got your A and your B trip. Okay. Now, if you're like me, you always forget to reset your trip after you fill up so you can keep an eye on your fuel economy. Well, one way that we can change that is if you go into your settings and you go into vehicle, we will go into meter setup and we will go down to trip A reset or trip B reset, whichever you want to do, and you click it, and then you can have it set to when you fully refuel. So if you select fully refuel, every time that you fill up your gas tank's going to be on this side over here. When that's fully filled up, your trip A reset, which you can see over here on the bottom left to the right in here, is going to be reset. And then you don't have to worry about remembering to do it. It's also going to be up on here. So to get here, you're going to go to your trip computer right there. Oops. Your trip computer right there. And then you have your current drive, and then you have your trip A and your trip B. So this one will get reset when you fully fuel up. All right. So let's get into the next one. So the next one is also in the car. It's one of my favorite features, but it is walk-away auto lock. So again, we're going to go into settings and we're going to go to vehicle. This time we're going to go to door and window setup. And then you have some options here that you can choose when you want the doors to automatically lock or when you want them to unlock. And then at the bottom here, if you scroll down, we have a walk-away auto lock feature. Right now it's set to on. But what's going to happen is when you get out of the car, you get to where you're going, you're going to walk away from the car. 5 feet, you're going to hear a beep. 10 feet, it'll lock. Okay? So really cool feature. I really like that one. The next one, I actually have to go over here to the glove box, because if you open up the glove box, right inside there's a little button that you can see on the left hand side that has a picture of the trunk. So get a little closer there, and there's an on and off switch. So theoretically, if you wanted to completely disable the trunk release, there's a trunk release button down here. There's also one on your key fob. So if you wanted to disable that, you can turn that button off and then it would not open the trunk. So that's a pretty cool one too. Now I'm going to turn the car off here and I'm going to get out. So today it's super hot outside. So if you wanted to open up your windows on the car, this is your key fob. As you can see here, it just automatically locked because I had the key out and I walked away from the vehicle. But if it's really hot out and you want to roll your windows down, kind of like in the winter, you want to do your remote start. To roll the windows down, you press the unlock button once, and on the second time you press and hold it down. And if you keep holding it, it'll roll all the windows down as well as the sunroof. Now unfortunately, you can't roll the windows back up with the key. What you do is, if I can get this key out of here, you're going to take the key and you'll put it in here, and you're going to turn it in the lock position, and the second time you hold it, and then it'll close all the windows. Okay? So for those of you that don't know, your key fob right here, there's a little lever right here. You slide it to the side And I can't do it one-handed, but you slide that little lever to the side and then you pull on the chrome part there and it'll pull the key off. One other cool thing is, so I'll unlock the car here. If your car battery is ever dead, okay, obviously you would have to manually unlock the front door with this key, and then you would have to reach back and hit the unlock button on this door, and then right here in that little cutout, see that little cutout at the front of that little square, you'll stick your key in there and pop that open, and there's a little place for you to put this key that will pop the trunk for you. So that's another really cool thing. Now on the passenger side, come around here on the passenger side of the vehicle, we're going to go under the floor mat here, and this is your VIN numbers down there, but it can also be like a secret storage if you wanted to put something down there. Let me get this out of the way. But if you wanted to put that down, something down there, you could. But something kind of cool about the Accords. That's really all I have for the tips and tricks. I just want to kind of cover some of that stuff with you guys, and I appreciate you tuning in. If you know anybody in the market for a car, forward some of my videos to them. Have them give me a call. If they're in the Midwest, they want to come out and see me and buy a car from me, I'd be more than happy to help them. Drop a like and subscribe if the video was helpful. Thanks, guys.